Sample questions for pretest in Math 8. Question number 1. Find the greatest common factor of 12 and 16. The factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. For 16, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Then bring down the common factors of the two numbers, then get the product, and the answer is 4. Question number 2. What is the greatest common factor of 24y to the 4th power and 12y squared? The factors of 24y to the 4th power are 2, 2, 2, 3, y, 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 and 12y squared. The factors are 2, 2, 3, y, y. Bring down the common factors, then get the product, and the answer is 12y squared. Question number 3. Find the factors of 6x plus 12. First, find the GCF of 6x and 12, and that is our first factor. Second, divide each term of the given polynomial to find the other factor. The GCF of 6x and 12 is 6. Then each term of the polynomial will be divided by its GCF. That is 6x divided by 6 is equal to x, and 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Therefore, the factors of 6x plus 12 are 6 as our first factor, which is our GCF, and x plus 2 as our second factor. Question number 4. What is the square root of 64? To get the square root of 64, try to think a number and multiply it by itself, and the product is 64. Can you guess? The answer is either positive 8 or negative 8. Question number 5. What is the square root of 25b to the 6th power? In this case, we need to get the square root of the number and get also the square root of the variable b. That is, square root of 25 equals 5, and square root of b to the 6th power is equal to b cubed. So therefore, the square root of 25b to the 6th power is equal to 5b cubed. Question number 6. Find the cube root of 64. This time, we will find a number when it is multiplied by itself twice, and it will give us a product of 64. The answer is 4. Question number 7. What are the factors of 12 whose sum is 8? The possible factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Now, which of these three gives us a sum of 8? The answer is 2 and 6. Question number 8. Find the missing term 10a plus 25b equals blank quantity 2a plus 5b. The missing term in this problem is the first factor, which is the GCF. And the answer is 5. Question number 9. One of the factors of 4x squared minus 1 is quantity 2x plus 1. Find the other factor. Since 4x squared minus 1 is an example of difference of two squares, and its factored form is the sum and difference of two terms, therefore, the second factor is... Question number 10. What are the different techniques in factoring polynomials? These are greatest common monomial factor, difference of two squares, sum or difference of two cubes, perfect square trinomial and general quadratic trinomial. Question number 11. Which of the following expressions are examples of difference of two squares? Question number 12. Translate a number x added to square of b into mathematical phrase. What do you think is the correct answer? Is it x plus b squared or b squared plus x? The correct answer is b squared plus x. Question number 13. Reduce 10 over 25 into simplest form. So since the GCF is 5, we will divide 10 and 25 by its GCF, and that is 10 divided by 5 equals 2 and 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, 10 over 25 is equal to 2 over 5 in simplest form. Let's proceed to question number 14, and this is all about multiplying rational algebraic expressions. And the question is, find the product of 2x over 3a and 3y over 4b. Same process of multiplying fractions, simply we will multiply the numerators and multiply also the denominators separately. Then simplify if possible. So the product of 2x over 3a and 3y over 4b is equal to 2x times 3y, that is 6xy. 3a times 4b, that is 12ab. To simplify, that becomes xy over 2ab. Question number 15. Find the quotient of 3/4 and 2/5. In dividing fractions, we will simply multiply the dividend, which is the first fraction, by the reciprocal of the divisor, which is the second fraction. Reciprocal means it is the multiplicative inverse of a certain number or fractions that would result to a product of 1. Take note, we will get the reciprocal of the second fraction, not the first fraction. So therefore, the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5 over 2. So 3/4 divided by 2/5 becomes 3/4 times 5 over 2. Then multiply 3 and 5, that is 15. And 4 times 2, that is 8. Since it cannot be simplified because there is no common factor, that would be our final answer. Those are some questions that could somehow help you understand in dealing all the lessons of grade 8 mathematics for the first quarter. See you in my next video.